So hi, now I'm going to discuss about the optimal solution of the previous question that we discussed in the previous video. Huh. So we have the same question. If you haven't seen the previous video, go and watch that video. We have discussed about the brute force solution. If you want to check directly from the optimal solution, you can check from here only. So we are given again. I will first of all I will discuss the question. The question is we are given two numbers. First of all we have number m equals to 9 and we are given n equals to 2, so we need to find the nth root of m. Okay, now we need to find if which number is the nth root of m. For example, uh, 9, the square root of 9. Okay, square root of 9 is equals to 3, so our answer will be equals to 3. So in that case we will return 3. Okay, now we need if we, what if we have n equals to 4, so we need to find the fourth root of 9, which is not an integer number. It will come in some decimal point, but it will come. Okay, it exists but it is not in a decimal range, so in that case we'll return -1. Okay, so that is given in the question. Okay, so the I have discussed the brute force solution, so right now we'll discuss about the optimal way. So in optimal way, um, in the previous question also we took a sequence of the numbers from 1 to n. 1 2, let's say we have m equals to 9 only, and n is given equals to 2. So our answer by its simple math we can say our answer equals to 3. Now we'll check if the 3 is coming or not. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so see what we got it is a sequence in ascending order. That means we can think of binary search. Okay, now what we have start here, and in binary search we know we'll have end in the last index. Okay, now our mid element will come where? It will come somewhere here. 9 plus 1 by 2. 9 plus 1 means start plus end by 2, which is equals to 5. So our mid will come here. Now we'll check is 5 multiplied 2 times, because we are given n equals to 2. Okay, we need to multiply 2 times, as in the previous brute force solution we were doing the same thing. We were multiplying I 2 times. Here we are multiplying n 2 times. Sorry, I n times we are multiplying, so we are multiplying m middle 2 times. Okay, this one is our mid element. Don't confuse with m and mid. This one is our mid. Okay, now we are getting 5 into 5, that is equals to 25. 25 is greater than the given m, which is equals to 9. So we will say start you go to mid -1 position, that is equals to 4. So start comes to the index 4. Now we know that 4 plus 1 by 2, that means 5 by 2 will give again 2. Okay, so mid is pointing to index 2. Now we'll see 2 plus 2 into 2 into 2, which is equals to 4. Now 4 is less than mid equals, that is equals, sorry, mid is less than m, which is equals to 9. 4 is obviously less than 9. So in that case we'll say start you go to mid plus 1 position. So start will point to index 3. So start will point to index 3. Okay, start is pointing to index 3 and end is pointing to index 4. Now we'll see the mid will be equals to 4 plus 1, 4 plus 3 by 2. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 by 2 will give 3 only. So we'll have mid also in this index 3. Now we'll check 3 into 3 means mid into mid. 2 times will be equals to 9, and 9 is equals to the given m. M is equals to 9. So we have got our given answer. We have got our given target, which is equals to 9. And in which index we are getting 9? Index 3. So simply we'll return this index 3. And index 3, which pointer is pointing to index 3? Start and mid. So we'll return mid, because not every time start will point to the same index and mid is pointing. So we'll return the index mid. So that is the main intuition behind it. And if we do not get the solution, for example, start is or end is here and start is here. Okay, so this is an ambiguity. That means start cannot be greater than end, and end cannot be less than start. So in that condition we'll just return -1 as given in the question. So let us code it up. So we have our approach, just we need to code up. So we'll have in binary search we have start element, which is equals to 1 right now, and we have end equals to m right now. Now we'll run till start is less than equals to end. Okay, Now we need to find the mid element. So we have mid equals to, sorry, start plus end by 2. We have got our mid. Now we'll check the power. The power means uh, for example, we have n equals to 2, so we'll multiply mid 2 times. For example, we got mid equals to 3, so we'll multiply mid 3 times. Simply we need to find the power of mid. Okay, nth power of mid, so we'll simply add int check, or let's say we have power equals to int math.pow. We need to find the power of mid, so mid, and which power? Nth power. So we have got our power here. Now we'll check if power is equals to m, so we'll simply say return mid. Okay, now else if we got power is greater than mid, so in that condition what we'll say, end will go to mid minus 1 position, else start will go to mid plus 1 position. I hope you know binary search, then you are solving this. Okay, if you don't know binary search, go and search about it, then it would be much easier to understand. Okay, now here we have, if we got the answer we'll return mid. If we did not get the answer, at last of the while loop we'll return minus 1. Okay, so I guess it will run. Let's just check it up. Yeah, it is running. Let's submit. Yeah, see, so that was all. Hope you like the video, and do check out the previous one also.